Welcome to the Unique Views YouTube channel. We have been bringing new motivational videos since starting this channel. Today's video is important as usual. In this episode, I am talking about loving family, focusing on how to build loving family by following the rules of the law of attraction. Please watch this video from start to finish. Please subscribe to this channel if you are new audience. I am very grateful to the book Law of Attraction, namely 101 Powerful Ways to Use the Law of Attraction, written by Dr. Steve G. Jones and Frank Mangano, for the reference materials for this video. Now I start my discussion on today's subject matter, how to build lovely family. It's an interesting topic. Family is very important. Some would say that it is the single most important thing there is. That's why building a loving family is at the top of so many to-do lists when it comes to life goals. But going about building that family doesn't have to seem impossible. In fact, all you need is love. What to do? Always be kind and understanding. First and foremost, a loving family is built on showing your love to each other beyond just words. Really take the time to listen to your family members and what they like and do not like. Show them you care by doing things they enjoy and sharing your time generously. Keep the lines of communications open by having regular times for one-on-one talks. Meal times are a great way to reconnect daily. Create special nights to do things together as a family, such as watching a movie every Friday or going to the park on the weekends. Be sure that the entire family enjoys your weekly activities. Include everyone equally, and your love for each other will grow stronger each and every day. Now I am giving some important tips for practicing affirmations to build loving family life. Please practice these affirmations wholeheartedly to make your family very kind and loving. I have the most fun, loving, close family and they make me feel complete. When I am with my family, I feel only an incredible joy and love for them. I take the time and effort to give my family the love they deserve and they reciprocate this. My family enjoys building new memories together which strengthen our love for each other. I am so lucky to have the most caring and loving family members anyone could ever want. Now let's move on to the visualization technique for building loving family life. Please pay attention to this chapter for a while. This chapter is also important for you if you want to make your family kind and very lovely. Think about each other of your family without allowing any of the negative qualities to come into your mind. Think about how much fun you have together and things that you want to do with them. Now close your eyes and imagine those things happening. Picture yourself giving good advice, listening to their concerns and being able to give them complete happiness. You can also visualize a day in the life of your family in its perfection. Think about walking up to the people you love with a smile on your face and positive encouragement to help them get through a day. Think of how you embrace each other's imperfections and how you love them for the people that they are. Think about happy things you do together and play them like a movie in your mind. Things like snorkeling on the couch, watching a movie, playing games, shopping, and eating dinner are turned into moments that you cherish with all your heart. All of that love is spread through you until you feel completely immersed in it. Now, open your eyes and take those happy family images with you as you enjoy your family each day. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something about loving family life. Please comment in below section if you have any on this video. Thank you and bye bye. Take care and see you in the next new video. Thank you.